Hello, today I want us to talk about Minitab, and today we are talking about how to how to route data to Minitab and the basic things that Minitab has that we should be familiar with. Yes, something you should know is Minitab is like the other softwares we use like JASP, Jamovi, SPSS as they help us to do the analysis easily, not like comparing it to easy Excel. Excel requires a lot of manual work, but for this one you just select the variable you want and it does the analysis for you, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So we have the file here. This is like the other one. Yes, so we have file, we have start, we have graph. These are the main things that we will focus on. So we have the start where we get the basic statistics. We have the regression, the one you know you choose the one you want, ANOVA. You can learn the ANOVA you want. Yes, the next thing is the graphs. You have all the graphs that you need. You have the bar graph, the heat map, pie chart, etc. Extra. Yeah. And with this, it makes it's easier for you to learn the data analysis. Yes, so that's what you should know. Then how do we route data to SPSS? This is how we route the data. We click on file, then you say open. You select where your data is. My data is on downloads, so I will click downloads. Then I want to use the baseball data here. Click it, then open. Then just say okay, don't mind about the other stuff. Just say okay. So my data has been loaded here. So we have, you can check here, you have C1T, C2T, but the other one doesn't have any T. So the ones that have T, it means that those values in those columns are in text form. Yes, text form. But those one that doesn't have any T, it means that those are numerical values. So all the others are numerical values like win, CL, BA, and stuff. Yes, so when you have your data, you can now, the way you save, you can just click, if now you want to save this file, you can click Control S and just give it a name. You can say mini Minitab 1 and say save. Just click and that it is saved already. Yes, so in the next video, let's talk about how do we do the statistics, the basic statistics, how do you do the graph, yes, and more. That's basically it for now. Thank you.